Shalom everyone, Maslom Kem, Ate I once again, and for today's vlog, we are going to learn the conjugation of infinitive to advance or to progress. In Hebrew, Lehitkadem. Okay guys, bonat kel. Present tense, advance, for masculine singular, mitkadem. Ani mitkadem. Ata mitkadem. Hu mitkadem. Present tense, advance, for feminine singular, mitkademet. Ani mitkademet. At mitkademet. Hi mitkademet. Present tense, advance, for masculine plural or mixed gender, mitkadmim. Anachnu mitkadmim. Atem mitkadmim. Hem mitkadmim. Present tense, advance, for feminine plural, mitkadmot. Anachnu mitkadmot. Aten mitkadmot. Hen mitkadmot. For past tense, advanced. Hitkadamti. Hitkadamta. Hitkadamt. Hitkadem. Hitkadma. Hitkadamnu. Hitkadamtem. Hitkadamten. Hitkadmu. Hitkadmu. Okay guys, let's move to the future tense. For future tense, will advance. Ani etkadem. Ata titkadem. At titkadmi. Hu yitkadem. Hi titkadem. Anachnu nitkadem. Atem titkadmu. Aten titkademna. Hem yitkadmu. Hen titkademna. Okay, now I will give you the imperative or the command. Imperative advance for masculine singular, hitkadem. Imperative advance for feminine singular, hitkadmi. Imperative advance for masculine plural, hitkadmu. Imperative advance for feminine plural, hitkademna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's video. Hope you enjoyed to learn Hebrew, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated for upcoming videos. Guys, hamon-hamon to dali kolkem. See you on my next vlog. Lihitraot.